We understand that water security, energy security, and food security are strongly linked. Through new techniques, methods, and scientific research to better understand food chemistry, we aim to achieve energy efficient and sustainable processes, hence intensifying food processing. What aspects are important in future food processing intensification in the vision of the food, energy, water nexus, and why?
So the population in Earth grows quite fast. We figure out that we are not very efficient currently with our food process because we have high energy demands and many losses. So to be able to feed everyone for as long as we can, we have to design new food process steps where we can efficiently deliver the food from the field to humans in the end. So what we know now is that 50% of losses comes in the field itself. So we're not very efficient when we are picking up the food from the field. But another 30% is lost during the food processing steps. And so we have to design a smarter process when we are processing and when we are forming our final food. And also we have to be more efficient in the chemicals and in the amount of energy used there. So currently there are too many process steps to produce an X food, and for every process step we spend too much energy and we spend too much water. And in order to be efficient, we are really trying to decrease the process steps, important, and decrease the use of energy and also the use of water in every process.